Which guitar strings are actually good for your Ovation Acoustic Electric? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, D'Addario EJ16 3D. Let's kick things off with the D'Addario EJ16 3D Phosphor Bronze Acoustic Guitar Strings. What caught my eye was not just their classic reputation, but also the fact that they are precision wound with phosphor bronze, which gives them a rich, full tonal spectrum. If you want a balanced tone that suits any genre, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These strings are corrosion resistant, meaning they'll last longer without losing their tone quality. D'Addario has been a go-to for guitarists since the 70s, and with over 4,000 of these sets bought just last month, it's clear they're doing something right. If you want consistency in your sound, these strings deliver a warm and balanced tone that's suitable for everything from folk to rock. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to other brands. Here's the thing though, for the quality and longevity you get, they're actually a solid investment. You're not just buying strings, you're investing in your sound. This is perfect for you if you play frequently and need a reliable string that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something cheaper to experiment with. For the price, you're getting exceptional value for your money. Now, if the price of the D'Addario strings bothered you, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Havendi Registered Guitar Strings. Next up are the Havendi Registered Guitar Strings. Priced at just $18.82, these strings caught my attention because they include 3 picks and offer a promise of brilliant sound quality. If you want exceptional sound without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. The unique craftsmanship behind these strings ensures they deliver a clear, resonant tone that's perfect for both gentle strumming and powerful chords. The phosphor bronze coating makes them rust-resistant, meaning you won't have to worry about constant retuning. With a weight of only 1.13 ounces, they're also incredibly easy to handle. This is especially important for beginners or anyone looking for a smooth playing experience. However, some users mention that they feel the sound isn't as full as higher-end strings. But honestly, for the price point, I think they deliver pretty well. If you're a beginner or just getting back into playing, these might be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you're looking for quality on a budget and want some extra picks included. Skip these if you're a professional player seeking top-tier sound quality. You definitely get good value here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for longevity. Product number 3, Elixir Strings with nylon technology. Up next, we have Elixir strings featuring nylon technology, priced at around $17.94. What really stood out to me is their promise of the longest-lasting bright tone with a comfortable feel. If you want strings that will keep sounding fresh longer, this is worth considering. The nickel-plated steel material enhances the overall tone, ensuring that your guitar sounds great whether you're strumming or fingerpicking. Plus, they're super popular with over 1,000 sets sold last month, which says a lot about their reliability. However, some players have noted that the coating can feel a bit different at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, many prefer that smoother feel. It's a trade-off for durability, and most find it worth it. This is perfect for you if you play often and want a string that won't die on you quickly. Skip this if you prefer traditional uncoated strings for that raw feel. For the longevity, they offer great value. Now, if you're looking for something that's super easy on the fingers, the next product might be what you need. Product number 4, Zager Easy Play Strings. Now let's talk about the Zager Easy Play acoustic guitar strings priced at $25.24. I was intrigued by their claim to be easy on fingers, especially for those with sensitive hands. If you struggle with finger fatigue, this could be a game changer. These strings use a patented soft metal core that reduces finger pressure, making them perfect for long practice sessions or for players returning to guitar after a break. They also deliver a warm, rich tone thanks to their coated bronze design, which resists corrosion. With over 600 sets sold last month, they're clearly a favorite among players who deal with discomfort while playing. One drawback people pointed out is that they might not work as well for aggressive strumming styles. But honestly, if you're someone who plays gently or has sensitive fingers, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you've had issues with finger pain while playing. Skip these if you're an aggressive player looking for harder-hitting strings. For comfort, they're a fantastic value. Now, if you want premium quality, the last product on my list is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Elixir Acoustic Phosphor Bronze. Finally, we have the Elixir Acoustic Phosphor Bronze guitar strings with nylon technology, and these are priced at $69.47 for a 3-pack. Yes, they're on the expensive side, but let me tell you why this might be worth it. If you want a premium option that offers a dynamic balance and longevity, this is a strong contender. These strings are designed with phosphor bronze wrap wire, providing a rich, full-bodied tone with sparkling clarity. The nylon technology keeps them smooth and feels great while also protecting against rust, meaning you'll get that fresh tone for a lot longer. With over 300 of these packs sold recently, they're clearly favored by many players who prioritize sound quality. However, the price may put some off, especially if you're just starting. Here's the thing though, for those who play frequently or professionally, the investment pays off in sound and durability. This is perfect for you if you're a serious player looking for high-quality strings that last. Skip these if you're just starting out and want something more affordable. The quality justifies the price. In conclusion, we've covered a range of guitar strings from reliable brands, each catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, durability, or premium quality, there's something for everyone here. To recap, we've got the D'Addario EJ16 3D for a balanced tone, Havendi registered for budget-conscious players, Elixir strings for longevity, Zager Easy Play for comfort, and Elixir Acoustic Phosphor Bronze for premium quality. No matter what you're looking for, these strings offer great options. Happy strumming!